Hey guys, back into another video, and today I'm gonna play freeze tag. So yeah, hope you enjoy. Okay, I'll ask you two questions. Do you want me to edit? I'm definitely putting the value off because I don't know if it's copyrighted. I don't want that. Oh, there is stuff happening on my channel. So yeah, if you want me to, oh yeah, I'm gonna put a thing. I'm gonna make a thing pop up right about now. It should say what game do you want me to play. I'm gonna write down games and so you could pick a game. Wait, what am I? Accept on this good. Oh, shit, store. I'll try this for the first time. Twit. Twitter, that's the thing, yeah. To redeem codes on? That was just a code that I showed you on accident. I'll definitely censor my Roblox username so none of you shaky bastards would know it. And on my other videos I'll do the same. Red. If you want me to play more of you know what, if you want me to play more of this freeze tag, I'll see if I can do the card thingy again. I'll try it. So yeah, that's my second question. So yeah, what games you want me to play? Answer that. And I poop. I can't play a game because I died. I'm in this lobby. I can't play a game. The game that I was supposed to play originally. Nah, who cares? Who gives a damn about that? Goddamn legs, I hate them. Oh yeah, I gotta kill myself. Kill yourself. I'm gonna I'll do what I said. I'll 100% not show you my username, credits, tags, and wins. I'll show you my wins just to show off. Credits to, because I want to give credit. Get it? No, you don't. No. You absolutely don't. But still, that's okay with me. I hope so. Mm. Oh, I just realized. I'll have the invisibility cloak, cake, cloak. What the fuck is the goddamn program? Shouldn't even say that. I poop in a basket. I barely touched it. How can that kill me, you know? You barely touched the lava and it kills you. There's no point of people, you know. What? How is that even possible? Oh, Scheiße. I'll try to do some cool. Okay, go here. I can't go there. For some goddamn reason. Stop it. Get some help. Yeah, help me. I cheated. Kind of. I did cheat. I already won this game once, so you don't have to be like, oh, he cheated. He's a cheater. And I'll accept those words they tell me. I'm an absolute cheater. But it's the easy way, you know. You could follow the thing. They're not smart enough to prevent that. They then check the height, man. That's the dumb idea. Well, of course, if you don't go with the following, okay, and then you can go again and stop. What? I died. Like, imagine. Okay, now you will die. That's it, and you died. Instantly when a person said you'll die. Right about now. Why will I die? Because logic's dumb. That's some shitty logics. How can I even die at this point? I'm a goddamn magician. No entirely. This really easy parkour. It's super easy to go through. Right here spot is the easiest spot you can go through. That's not a hard RB. What the hell? The hell? I want to put my hats off. Then I have freaking 10 seconds to put them on. Just because of this little game. Stones are loading map. Is it a always use this first. What the fuck? Oh shoot. I'm a bad guy. I'm supposed to be the, you know, mysterious unfreezer, untagger, but na 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 na. Protect that. I'll protect this. Protect this. So whenever the person comes, do this. Hi, man. Hi, you fucking idiot. Dumb idiots. Forget that I have we can use magic cloaks too. We're just gonna lose because all these motherfuckers are smart. This is secret on taggers and secret taggers. I'm supposed to untag people. That's why I'm called the secret untagger. Not a fucking secret tagger. I'm in my secret untagger skin. I'll be safe. On the lookout. Oh, that bitch, that dumbass bitch. I probably only use it for my speed, man. Speed ski. The what? The what? Not even as fast. Bitch, you tagged. Bitch, you. Shit. Bitches going miles. You ain't going to run, but I'll take you. Oh, shoot. Okay, secret on tiger suit. If I'm a tiger this round. Okay, I didn't even press to purchase anything. You don't press. You know what's What I don't like about this. Well, every time does that. Like I care about you script errors and shoot and stuff. Okay, I'm not. Yeah, play Roblox. Like I care about anything I show me. And by the way, the guy that gave me copyright is what? Okay, I gotta stop recording because I'm gonna play with my friend. Bye.